So after you remove all 4 torque screws right there, the 2 security nut that jURA puts on the front, those 6 screws are up. Then you try to pull the front first. You free up the front, and then you go from the front first, just like an airplane taking off. Then you take that off like that. After that, this comes that way. You lift it up, pull it that way, and there you go. There's our 2 tabs right there. The red tab, they need to be pulled out. It keeps the jacket together. So yeah. Gives me trouble. There you go. So you see those little red tabs? That's what lock the jacket together. Once you get that, then normally you should be able to pull that out. If I do remember right. Okay, so there you go. Pull it that way first. Just pull it that way. And free it a little bit right there. You gotta be careful because it's plastic. There you go. The other way. I think it's the same thing. You just need to pull that way. So actually the other side is the same way. Those panels right there pull, they need to be, see they have latches right there. So you have to put them in place just like this. It's in place, you push toward the front. It needs to go. It's not in place for now, so that's why it doesn't go. But it's a pain, but it can be done. Alright, that's in place. You have to take your time, but basically, I don't know if you can see the what's happening is that. Look right there, the crack. So I'm taking my fingers and I pull backward. See? Right there. Once it's there, boom, the panel comes out. On the other side is exactly the same way. The panel pull that way first and go down after that. And now you get the whole machine to your satisfaction right there. You can access the brewer, that's right there. And this, you can see that on pretty much all the video on YouTube. On jURA, it's all the same brewer, so I'm gonna show you, there's only 2 screws right there. I don't know if we're gonna see the screw. There's one right there, just where I point out the a torque screw right there, just on the back. Then there is one there on the back. There is only 2, and one on the bottom, just right at the base of the brewer. Right there's another one. So it's 3 screws actually. 3 torque screw. You take that off, and then on the top of it, I don't know if you see right there, maybe not, there's the little pipe. It's very hard to see, so I don't know if you're gonna see. There's the little pipe that sends the water to the brewer. There's a little clip, and you pull out that clip with a needle nose. I'm gonna try to show you that. Come here. And So there you go. I don't know if you see the little tab right there. Probably not. Well, anyway.